Courtesy of Ricky.
And you need to know he did every single piece of it himself. I'm so proud of him.
That is so awesome.
The only thing we're missing is an adapter where you can put a battery on this. But no.
This off.
Probably order one on Amazon. Yeah. It's a USB chargeable thing. It's just got a USB on the end.
Yeah.
So you'd have to plug it into a
Cigarette lighter
with a USB port, or you can also get batteries that you charge up and plug into the USB.
So you can plug it into the cigarette lighter.
Yeah, like I have
the
we
little
have plenty
adapters
of
for
the
USB.
Little adapters that go into the cigarette lighter and have a USB port.
Yeah.
Look. He reinforced it with duct tape.
That is so cool.
And it works. Like we
It
just
works.
put a little bit of ice in it, and it was blowing cold air.
Nikki said we should have called you and told you to get a bag of ice on your way home. Well, I'm recording a video for him. You want to say thank you?
I am really proud of you, Rick.
I don't know why it's not closing.
I couldn't have done it better myself.